In front of me is POCO X6 and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access passwords and security. Then click on face unlock under screen lock and enter your current login method. Then hit start at the bottom. Select next in attention pop-up, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Now you can name your face data however you want to and click on done. Then adjust all of those options however you wish to. So finally, when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!